Here we are. I think we showed this on the channel over a year ago. So maybe this is the year review. I don't know how you want, not to the date, of course. This saw has been used for multiple pipes. Okay, we put different pipe on it, we test it. I send it out with people who are subscribers passing by that want a pipe chainsaw for the weekend. It's like, boom, here you go play with it. You know what I mean? Piston and cylinder still look good. Not score marks, nothing bad, nothing out of the ordinary, I would say, okay? This is a new pipe design. I really like it. I really like it. I'll show it with you guys. 24-inch bar and chain. Chains, sharp-ish, We've had lots of different people cutting with it today. So, I guess we'll see how sharp it is. I like this internal stinger design. It's quiet. I love it when it's kind of loud. Quieter than you would think. Stinger goes inside instead of outside. And the dyno shows the same horsepower result. It's a lot quieter and not sticking 6 or 8 or 10 inches out the back bouncing around. Chain's not super sharp. I like how it maintains those RPM all the way through the cut. You know what I mean? It's right there. Nice and snappy. Now I probably could bog it. Let's see how hard I gotta push to bog it. That did a lot better than I thought it would. Holy crap. It didn't bog it like at all. I was pushing hard. Oh, anyway, it's fun. Double the horsepower of your chainsaw right there. Let me know if anybody wants one. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.